Hi folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales, and today I'd like to show you some video on a 2023 Chrysler Grand Voyager. It's black on black with 51,000 miles on it. It's like new. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. Really clean. Bucket seats, third row seating, of course. Third row. These are Stow and Go seats, folks. We service all the credit tiers, good credit, bad credit, no credit, anywhere in between. We've got a program for everybody. We're here 7 days a week. The price is the price. There's no hidden fees, no transportation costs. There you go, folks. Just a real nice Voyager. So come on down, ask for Tom, Teddy, John, Divine, Jesus. Any one of us are happy. So check it out.